Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at slips, trips and falls on wet floors, offering completely free advice along with information on how you can speak to a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a successful claim for compensation. If you've been unfortunate enough to have been involved in a slip, trip or fall on a wet floor, an accident which could have easily been avoided were it not for the negligence of others, the good news is you may be entitled to compensation. Recovering from an injury caused by a wet floor slip, trip or fall can be a traumatic and challenging experience. As I've already mentioned, if the accident was down to the negligence of others, you should be able to bring a successful claim for compensation, but regardless of what your mate down the pub thinks, we highly recommend that you seek the assistance of a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with claims of this nature. And I'll shortly be explaining how you can speak to one of these, completely free of charge. But first, I'm going to go over a couple of things that we believe that you can do to help strengthen your claim. First of all, ensure that an accident report was completed in the accident report book of wherever the incident occurred. Check this over before you leave so that you're able to ensure all the details are correct. Gather the contact details of any witnesses so that they're able to be contacted should a statement need to be taken from them at a later time. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and note when this assessment took place, as it will make it much easier to track down records at a later date. Keep track of any expenses incurred as a result of your accident. This can include travel expenses, medical expenses, care costs, the cost of any damage to personal items that occurred during the accident, as well as any loss of earnings or potential future earnings. Now, as promised, if you'd like to speak to someone from a law firm with experience in dealing with claims of this nature in order to see what your options are, you can contact legalexpert.co.uk on 0800 652 7676 or visit our website to use our live chat service. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and after just a few short and easy to answer questions, we'll do all we can to help you establish what your best course of action is. If we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim for compensation, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.